Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to reply to a comment by a video on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a great way of replying or answering back to your fans on TikTok on how to do certain steps which wasn't shown in the video they're watching. This works for iPhone and Android phones. So on your phone, open up your TikTok app. Now go to your profile page by tapping on Me at the bottom right. Now tap on a video where you have seen this comment. Tap on Comments at the bottom right. Now find the comment within the list which you want to reply to. Long press on it and you should get a menu like this. Tap on Reply with Video. This should open up your TikTok camera and you'll see the comment appear at the top left of the screen. Now you can record your video or upload a video from your phone's photo library to answer the question. After recording and uploading a video, you can move and resize a comment in the editing screen of TikTok. And then once you're done, you're ready to post that video on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to reply to a comment by a video on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.